CERMET series of CN1500 and CN2500, which are suitable for high-speed continuous machining and high-feed and interrupted machining respectively, boasts excellent performance in machining automobile parts and machinery. By minimizing insert deviation, we have ensured stable tool life. Optimal cutting edge minimizes the surface roughness of the workpiece. The balance of material and chip breaker maximizes machinability and tool life, while providing a wide range of application to parts made of various materials, like carbon steel, alloy steel, cast iron, ferrous sintering metal, etc., and increases the versatility due to change in workpiece. CN1500 shows superior wear condition compared to the products of competitors. Even from the microscopic observation, machined product of CN1500 produced smoother result. CN2500 for high feed and interrupted cutting can significantly reduce chipping and damage when machining workpiece that has high interruption. It boasts great deal less damage rate than the products of competitors. CN2500 shows little deviation between the corners and has significantly high number of maximum machining time. CN1500 and CN2500 will lead the way of high-efficiency, high-quality CERMET machining. Carlo.